Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. So we are driving on the actual highway that's being built. It's a 4-lane dual carriageway. So this highway is going to run from Harborview in St. Andrew to Portland in Port Antonio. And we can say that China Harbor Engineering Company is going to take over more parts of the highway. Now, China Harbor Engineering Company is the main contractor for the entire project, but some sections were given to subcontractors, and that led to some serious problems. Things got so bad that residents were blocking the road. So it was announced recently that China Harbor Engineering Company is going to take over some of the sections that were given to local contractors. So hopefully the project will get back on track and things will get moving. Now, the section we're driving on is between the Harborview Bridge and the Yalos Bridge. Now, it was announced in March that this section would be finished by the end of April. That's the section between the Harborview Bridge and the Yalos Bridge. China Harbor Engineering Company is the contractor for this section. So as you can see, they are not going to make the April deadline. So it was announced last week, I think it was Thursday, that the Prime Minister toured this project. And it was announced that the new date for completion will be August 2023. So we're looking at April, May, June, July, August, 4 more months. And the section we're actually at now is where a new road has been built from 11 miles in Bull Bay to the Suncoast Adventure Park. So that's the section we're driving on when the video started. And then out here now, straight ahead is the main road. And this is where the highway is going to intersect with the main road and continue on its way to St. Thomas. Okay, so from the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles Bull Bay, the highway will incorporate the existing two lanes, the existing main road, and that road will be upgraded to 4 lanes. So from 11 miles to the Suncoast Adventure Park, a new road has been built. Now we're actually going underneath the highway here. And from the Suncoast Adventure Park to Albion Heights, the highway will run along the existing road that's going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. And then from Albion Heights to Grand Spend, the highway will take a new route. And then from Grand Spend to the Yalos Bridge, it goes along the existing roadway. So that section will be completed in August 2023. Now, the other section of the highway from the Yalos Bridge to Port Antonio, that should be finished in 2025. The entire highway is scheduled to finish in 2025. But the work seemed to have stalled in some sections. Not sure why. Well, we got a list of reasons why. But that's for another video. You can check out local contractors. Check out those videos on the channel that has to do with those sections. Also, check out Yalos Main Road. We did a video there, I think it was last week, to show you the state of the road. Now, after the Prime Minister toured this section, a few things were announced. One, that they were going to increase the amount of, they were going to wet the road with water to prevent the dust. 2, that persons must be able to have access to their home. Yes, it sounds a bit strange, but I think in some sections the road was dug up in front of people's home to lay pipes. So the Prime Minister gave a directive that persons must be able to have access to their homes. And the third thing is that he said at least one section of the roadway must be in a good state. I mean, some sections of the road literally look like a riverbed. Check out the video on the channel about Yalos Main Road destroyed. And you will see we were not joking. It's bad. So some of those sections now, China Harbour Engineering Company is going to take it over. That's what was announced. But I mean, the contractor for the entire project is China Harbour Engineering Company. They subcontracted out the work to local contractors. Subcontracted. So it is as if they subcontracted the work out to the contractors and nobody followed up with the subcontractors. The road has been in this state for months. I might even go as far as to say a year. And you are the contractor and you don't do anything about the subcontractor work. It's very strange. Very, very strange. But nonetheless, China Harbour Engineering is going to take over some of the other sections and get the work done. Now, the subcontractors had their reasons why the project was in the state it was. China Harbour Engineering Company had their reasons. They have met with the Prime Minister, and the Prime Minister was to meet back with the local contractors and check. And basically, the road is just in a terrible state at the end of the day. So it's good that China Harbour is taking it over because this highway needs to be finished. It is bringing a lot of economic benefits to St. Thomas and Portland and even the Harborview area. If you look at the Harborview Plaza, you would be amazed. You have a Burger King just opened there. You have a KFC, a Tasty, Pizza Hut. I mean, the entire plaza was renovated because this is the plaza you would pass to access the highway. It's literally 30 seconds from the Harborview Bridge. So a lot of persons are invested in the area, and the supermarket, Shoppers Fair, is actually being rebuilt. And then you have the Morant Bay Urban Center being built. Then you have an urban center being built in Port Antonio. And you have the fire stations, the police stations being upgraded. You have residential developments being put into place. So this highway is bringing a lot of economic benefit to this part of the island. I mean, we could even go as far as to say it's a game changer. Never before has this side of the island seen roads of this quality. Never before. So we're actually going back out onto the main road now. But when finished, the highway will just go straight across the main road. But this is the existing main road now. So we'll keep you guys updated as we get closer to August. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.